Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I brought this saw into the shop about 3 months ago. It has the Powermatic ArmorGlide coating on it. When I first saw this, I was really in love with the color of it. I really love the slickness of it. And I gotta tell you, 3 months later, I have a very, very high regard for this coating. I've run hundreds of board feet over this thing, and none of the coating has worn away. I know a lot of guys had questions about whether that coating would wear away. And you can see some light marks on it now from all the jigs I use and all the lumber. I mean, hundreds of board feet have crossed this thing. Nothing has penetrated the surface. I'm very impressed with the durability. The slickness factor is awesome. But most of all my machines, since I've had this, I have coated and waxed at least 11 or 12 times. Zero on this. Zero corrosion, fully protected, and it's very, very slick. Even in these miter slots, just great job with the ArmorGlide technology, and thank you, Powermatic, for such an awesome product.